Hi, I'm Anna. I was a student at JESS from 1992 to 1995. Those years were some of the best of my childhood memories.
And I'm Sarah, Anna's younger sister. I went to JESS from 1992 to 1996.
JESS was such a special place. The classes were small, the teachers were warm and encouraging, and it felt more like a close-knit family than a school.
One of my favourite teachers, Mrs. Cogden, was so supportive, and I can still picture her smiley face. Mr. Mason had the best sense of humour. He made us laugh every day. I can still picture him playing Forever Young on the guitar at our Leavers Assembly. To this day, that song reminds me of leaving JESS. The lyrics took on a whole new meaning as we prepared to take our next steps. And I'll never forget Mrs. Singal, who was incredibly kind. I was a very shy child, but these teachers always noticed the quieter children. They made me feel seen, understood, and valued.
One of my favourite traditions was the school plays and Christmas concerts. There was something so heartwarming about singing traditional Christmas carols under the warm Dubai sky.
And back then we had to drive over sand dunes to get to school. It was an adventure in itself. Dubai has changed so much since the 90s, but I hope the JESS community feel is still just as strong. JESS created an environment where who you were and where you came from added to the richness of the school.
We were encouraged to ask questions, learn from one another, and appreciate different perspectives. Learning felt like discovery, not just routine. So to today's students, I'd say to give everything a try. You never know what you could be great at.
The more you wonder, the more you grow. Stay curious, ask questions, and embrace every opportunity. You are in one of the most diverse and vibrant environments a young person could ask for. All this will shape your worldview in powerful ways. And finally, be proud to be part of JESS.
One word to describe JESS: brilliant.
Joyful.